Brandon Hunter here, Conveyor Solutions. You probably may sort of recognize me, but I used to be in the corrugated industry pretty heavily with a major manufacturer right since 2012. I was there for about 5 years. I left. I've been now selling material handling in the e-commerce, manufacturing, and a much broader scope of business. But I'm ready to come back to the corrugated industry to offer some of those same solutions to the industry. And my reasoning for that is going to come up here. But this is just a brief introduction of myself, a reintroduction, so they say, and also an introduction of the different products that we have to service the industry right now today. So, first of all, who am I? Well, I have been in material handling since 2012. I did 5 years of conveyor sales and engineering in the corrugated industry on the West Coast for a major manufacturer whose name I'm going to leave out of this as a courtesy. I used to do the engineering, the pricing, the project management of all material handling projects that I've been involved with since that time. And in the corrugated industry, I priced everything from cradle to grave. It's a lot like that now, but a little bit better. So why now? Why am I coming back? And why should you be thinking about working with Conveyor Solutions and myself? Well, C&M, Systech, ACS, Duker, these major players in the industry have gone away from custom systems. They are trying to sell vanilla, and they're also the fact that their sales engineers with a lot of knowledge are aging out. What I saw when I was in the industry is they would bring in anybody that could sell or had industry connections. They didn't really focus on sales engineers that knew material handling and knew the business. So the industry sold, honestly, was a lot of badly executed projects. And in addition to that, the major players in the industry, they've been raising their prices over the years to be more in line with other industries. Not that there's anything wrong with that. They should be profitable and healthy, but it really brings my product line more in line or more competitive than theirs. So it's an exciting time for me because I'm going to come after that market share, and I really am excited to talk to you about our products. So we are a systems integrator, so that means that we work with over 70 different manufacturers and inside and outside installation teams. We do have our own electricals controls division, so we build our own panels. We have our own panel shop. We have our own in-house installation and our own in-house service teams. And we service and we install and we do electrical systems and conveyor systems, mainly in the e-commerce and parcel space. My mission, my drive is to drive our business model right into the corrugated space because we have a ton of products that will take care of you 100%. So what does this mean to the average maintenance manager, project engineer? It means faster project deployment. Lead times are pretty long with a lot of different companies. You're not getting clear communication. I know that for a fact because I was there on the one side. You don't really get a project management process that's worked out and is a standard. And that's how we maintain large clients. That's how we set ourselves apart in the e-commerce business. So, we're excited to talk to you because I think that there's just so much that can be added for our customers, our potential customers in the corrugated industry. So what kind of products do we carry? Well, we would carry transfer cars, zone and non-zone mainline conveyors, both plastic and roller conveyor, zone and non-zone bundle line conveyors, both plastic and roller conveyor, bundle stacking solutions for your flexo folder gluers, and underneath your stackers, we could also put a large lift like this with conveyor on it, where it would be in the upward position, and you run it a little bit faster than you would as if you had to raise up the stacker. So mainline and bundle line transfers, so your chain transfers, your transfers for bundles into a 90-degree transition when you don't have the space, or your passive right angle transfers as well. Turntables, sorry that my video is blocking this a little bit, but your center pivot turntables, we can provide those as well. We have lots of manufacturers that do that, and we also do that with Hydro. rotation devices. So, your cross rotator, the old iron cross there, you can also be set up with a opposing belt rotation sort of setup. Machine barriers. So if you have like a new box coming in and you're going to have barriers, we can provide that. Say you have a tool crib that you want to build, we have the material for that, and it's all in quick ship. Mezzanine guarding and tool cribs. Again, so we're going to emphasize that we can do a lot of the other things that a typical material handling business in the industry does not do. Inline pallet handling and storage solutions. We have a partner that has over 30,000 of these distributed throughout the United States. Are very, very reliable and cost effective and right in line with what you'd expect to pay. AGV fork trucks. So if you're going to be taking a load from the end of a rotary die cutter and you want to take it on over to your in feed of your to the end feed of your flexo folder gluer, and you got a funky layout in your building, which a lot of you guys do, we have solutions for that. Crossovers and mezzanine types of walkovers, so you don't have to have your people walking over conveyors. You can have access where you have a safe walkway. In-plant modular offices, these are great. They have great tax advantages. They make a lot of sense for your shell buildings. They're fast to deploy. We have these on the quick ship program as well. Wall partitions for setting up an inside office where you already have an bigger interior space you want to set up a conference room. Quick ship, flexible powered gravity conveyors. So we have our website. It's called theflexibleconveyors.com, and you can order a extendable gravity or extendable power with accumulation type conveyors right from there. And it's in the quick ship. We have things that are in stock in Elgin, Illinois that we can ship within 1 to 3 business days, or you can have a custom quote put together. Hytrol Toolbox app. If you walk up to the side of any Hytrol conveyor, it has an FO or a serial number on the side of it. You type that number into this application, whether you're running it on your computer or on your smartphone here, and it will actually pull the parts specific to that piece of conveyor that you're looking at right there and then. It'll pull the manual. It can get the drawings. It can get you a list put together of the parts that you think that you need. So this is something that's way beyond anything else that you're seeing in the industry right now. We can provide you with a cost-effective, fast-to-deploy, gonna-work solution. And that's what the industry... So just one more thing. When you're thinking about capabilities, right here you see Hytrol Conveyors in Jonesboro, Arkansas's main plant. It's 1 million plus square feet of manufacturing, and I think over 20,000 square feet of in-house sales support. Inspire Automation is right here in Indianapolis. C&M Conveyors out of Seymour, and ACS out of Lynchburg. Just to give it a difference in scale about what we can do versus what others can do, about our manufacturing capabilities. I'd love to talk to you more about this. I look forward to meeting with you. Give me a call, schedule an appointment. You can schedule it right in the signature of my email. I have a booking line there. So I look forward to meeting with you and talking to you. Have a good day.